I'm Jeff with Precision Replacement Parts. I'm here with Greg today. I'm going to show you how to install a BMT-030. Greg, what's this fit?
This will fit a 1978-87 Chevy El Camino. This is the fuel door to body bumper.
Check our website for complete make, model year information. Let's get started.
For the removal of this part, what I'm going to be doing is cutting this area here, but hang on to this piece for removal on the back side. What I'm going to do is just remove any debris that we have in these areas. Now we'll move on to reinstall. We're going to go ahead and reinstall the new part. What's unique about this bumper is that it has a recess hole in there. We're going to use a blunt end, an Allen wrench, which is this one's 7/64. We're just going to insert it into that recessed area. And pushing it through allows that to insert into the hole. Now you don't need a lot of pressure, just enough to set that cone area through the hole. And we're going to do the same on the second one. And that wraps up the installation of our BMP 030. Thanks for watching.